Hi, this info session is part of a wider user uptake strategy of the European Commission. One of the aims of that strategy is to stimulate the development and use of innovative downstream applications that incorporate Copernicus data and services. One of the objectives of CMEMS is to provide different levels of information dedicated to both scientific community and other users like public authorities or industrial companies. This submodule showcases the ability of CMEMS products to provide support to routing activities at sea. It is dedicated to the access of real-time ocean current forecast. Ocean forecast data are produced by models. This presentation aims at identifying a modeling zone, for example the Atlantic, Iberian, Biscay zone, to access currents in the vicinity of the Gibraltar Strait. The objectives of the module are to choose a product displaying ocean currents and temperature forecast for the next days, refine the area of interest, visualize maps of ocean currents for a particular day from the CMEMS portal services, visualize animation of this current prediction for the next 1 to 5 days, download ocean current and/or temperature data for a particular day over the defined area, and then to use the Panoply software to create a visualization such as maps or animation from the numerical data. The use case focuses on the visualization of ocean current forecast in the context of routing and security services. To access the specific products, go to the website of the Copernicus Marine Environment Service. The video hereafter displays the step-by-step process necessary for your registration. Once on the CMEMS webpage, click on Register Now, located on the top right of the menu. You then access to the user registration form. First of all, click on Service Commitments and License and read the corresponding document. It describes in detail how the service is made and the role of the service desk in supporting users. It also includes information about the name of the products, the geographical areas concerned. Returning to the user registration form and complete the requested information about you, such as user's detail, type of your organization, areas of relevance, and organization details. You can activate several selections. You must also mention how you heard about CMEMS, which is good for our statistics. At the bottom of the page, you have to sign the service level agreement by accepting the terms and conditions of the CMEMS license and enter the proposed code and send the form. You then receive an email from the CMEMS service desk with your login and password and the first information for an easy quick start. The email also displays links to video tutorials. CMEMS datasets are provided as netcdf files that require a particular software for the visualization. The following video explains how to download the Panoply free software necessary for the visualization of the downloaded datasets. First of all, go to a web page such as Google or Quant and search for the Panoply software. Click on the link giving access to the download of the software and download it. Now all the netcdf files are recognized and can be opened by double-clicking from your Windows directories. The next part of the presentation aims at showing how to identify and select a particular modeling zone, for example, the Atlantic, Iberian, Biscay, which is called EB within the CMEMS service. The next video shows how to access the product, visualize maps of the current at the Gibraltar Strait, and build an animation of the forecasting current. Here we show a particular use case, how to get information about the currents in the area of the Gibraltar for the next 5 days in the shape of current maps. From the main Copernicus Marine Service page, click on Online Catalog, select the Iberian Biscay area, and the first product is a near real-time product providing ocean forecast of physical parameters. Click on More Information button to reach the product page. Click on the View Product button. You reach the dataset subsetter. Select the dataset corresponding to hourly data and choose the variable corresponding to seawater velocity. Now you have to select the date and the time of the map. You can modify the color scale by changing the minimum and maximum value of the plotted currents. Proceed to a zoom up to the Gibraltar Strait area. The next slide shows how to build animation and export maps from the available datasets. To build an animation of surface current over the selected period, click on the animation icon below. Select the start and the end date of the animation and just click on Go. The animation starts, the corresponding date is indicating in the left corner. You can stop the animation and select the other datasets, which contains 3D daily information and gives access to the ocean current from surface to the bottom. You can visualize a map of current and build another animation at another depth. You can also change the date and the color scale. Click on the animation icon below, adjust the start and the end date, and click on Go. The animation at the selected depth starts. Click on Stop on the red button. Now you can export a map to a PNG file, which is an image, at a different time by clicking on Export to PNG. Another navigator window containing the image of the map opens. You can proceed to a classical Save As to save the image as a PNG file. You can also visualize ocean currents from the surface of the ocean to the bottom along a selected line as displayed. Activate the function allowing the drawing of a line on the map. A first click allows to select the first point of the line. A following double click allows to indicate the end point of the line. The subsetter then computes current along the line and displays a graphic showing the current along the vertical profile corresponding to the line, and the value of the seawater velocity at the selected depth along the line. The picture can be saved as an image by using the right mouse button and doing a Save As. The following video shows how to get information about currents in the area of the Gibraltar Strait and displays a demo consisting of downloading a temporal and spatial subset of the datasets. It also shows how to visualize the current map using Panoply software. Once on the page of the selected product, the Iberian Biscay area, click on Download the product instead of View the product. Select the datasets. Modify the geographical extent by changing longitude and latitude boundaries. Modify the start date and end date over the chosen period. Select the variable in the table and click on Download. The downloaded file appears in the corner of your window. Click on it to visualize the file. A Panoply interface appears. Select the variable you want to visualize, eastward velocity, for example. On the right, the characteristics of the relative datasets are indicated. Click on Create Plot. The map of eastward current appears for the first time frame. You can then modify the time frame below. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it helps.